Hi, I'm Plato. I run a farming company called Zua Organic Farm. We started the company in about 2016. We grow herbs like moringa, tulsi, ashwagandha, and we are also into amla and lemon cultivation in India. And it's a completely organic farm. One of the difficulties we faced when we started the farm was the water that we had salt in it, and so we were not able to properly irrigate. We used to have salt deposits in our drip irrigation, and therefore that was a big problem. Because we were an organic farm, we cannot use sulfuric acid or any other chemical in trying to get the salt off the water. And that's where we heard about this device. In fact, before I heard about this device, I was talking to an American company. I'm a professor, so they came to meet me and explained to me about this, and they introduced this concept called as structured water. But of course, it was very expensive. It was way beyond what it was, about $2,500. It was way beyond what an Indian farmer can afford. So we kind of gave up on that idea. And then I met this wonderful man called Bhagirathan, and then he explained to me about this device. This is a structured unit device that he makes. And he explained to me about this and said, sir, this is very affordable. In fact, in dollar terms, it would be approximately $200 or $300, depending on the size of the pipe that you're buying. But this device has proven to be a big blessing for us, right? So what does this device do? This device converts a normal water into structured water. So what exactly is a structured water? See, when water passes through this device, there is no change in chemical properties of the water. However, there is a very big change in the physical property of water, right? So in any water which has salt in it, I think you will understand that unless the positive ion coagulates with the negative ion, the salt is not getting deposited. Somehow, when water passes through this device, the ions are somehow kept apart. And so when water passes through this device and then goes into my drip system, we have practically observed, right? So I have practically observed that in any of our drip system, the amount of salt that is getting deposited slowly began to decline, and the existing salt also kind of got dissolved. And that was a big blessing for us. And then we did a little more research and trying to find out how come this simple device is able to do this. And that's where I kind of understood that when the ions are kept apart, what really happens is that salt is not being deposited either in the drip irrigation system or in the soil. And when salt is not deposited in the soil, I think the amount of water that the plant can uptake is very high. The hydration of structured water is very high, and therefore plant absorbs water. As it absorbs water very well, it grows very well. Along with the water, it is also able to absorb the nutrients very well. As a result, we have had some fantastic results in our productivity. For example, as I said, moringa is my main crop. We grow about 20,000 plants in an acre, and typically when we started growing this, the kind of yield that we were expected to get is about 150 kilograms of dried leaves per acre. And then when we started the moringa farm, the first device that we installed was this structured water device, and then we did irrigation. We were very skeptical of what this could really give. In our first couple of harvests, we saw that the yield was around 300 kilograms per acre per harvest of dried moringa leaf. That was like almost twice of what was expected. Then in about a year's time, we were able to get up to 425 kilograms of moringa dried leaves per acre per harvest. That's approximately 3 times more yield than expected. So we saw that this structured water has definitely a role to play in it. And when we do organic farming, we also went into nano inputs, right? So which means that every input that I give has to be absorbed by the plant, right? I use approximately 50 grams of inputs per acre per month, which is very, very small amounts of inputs. So I think structured water has played a big role in making sure that the nutrients that I give is easily reaching my plants, and as a result we have had some fantastic vegetative growth. And also in our lemon, in our amla, you can see an amla plant just behind me, we are having up to 80 tons of harvest in about 750 plants. Would you believe that? 750 plants and about 80 tons of harvest every year. So this device has been a blessing at extremely cheap prices. I think it comes from India. So this has been a big blessing for our Indian farmers. If you guys are looking at structured water, I think this is something that you should consider. right? My number will be available with you. I think in the video I asked them to share my number. I'm generally available over WhatsApp in that number. If you have doubts, you can please reach out to me in WhatsApp. I'll be happy to reply what I know. I have been blessed. I just wanted to chat with you. Thank you.